So now that your brother's got a Hellcat, he's got a little cat meow 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 kitty hell
Oh
kitty.
boy.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. 4 valves suck to build because you have to spend
Well,
the money to buy the 3 valve.
The
Not
4.6
the
anyway.
3 valve.
Yeah, the 4.6 anyways. But if we did a 5.4 4 valve out of a Navigator,
We could do that.
because the 6.2,
The
It
6.2
was-
is not going to work. It's
the
too much
6
work.
well, it's not that it's too much work. You can't get. They don't make a standalone for it. I don't know why, but they do make a standalone for the 7.3 Godzilla. So, knowing that, what I'm thinking, I'm not sure what I'm thinking.
Yeah, we don't.
But let's see. Let's think about what we're doing. So how you all doing, YouTube? This is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay,
I'm T.
and here's our dilemma. My other son, he got himself a Hell Kitty. So it's okay. It goes good. Off the line, I was really surprised. It's not a whole lot of get up and go, but once it gets into that certain band, that's why it beats everybody, because it just picks up and goes. So, knowing that, now we got to do a little bit of engine modification here. This is a 4.63 valve. We all know about the 4.63 valve. It's got crappy rods and they twist over 500 horsepower. So, if we get a Navigator, a Navi 5.4 liter 4 valve like out of a 2004, okay, or a 2003,
That's the same motor that came out, or that Ford put in the. They took the Navigator motor because Ford is owned by, or Ford owns Lincoln, and what they did was they took the 2000s Mustang era Cobra Terminator that had, that was their supercharged 2 valve, or no, that was the, what was that? What was that? The 3 valve? No, that wasn't 3. Was it the 4 valve?
It was a 4 valve.
It was a 4 valve.
5.4
And
liter 4 valve.
they supercharged it, and you're getting like 500 or 600 horsepower. And that's just drop it in and it bolt right in, put it in and go.
Because it is a modular motor also. So it'll bolt right up to the transmission. There is a little bit, not much, but there is a little bit of herky-quirky with the PCM, the ECM, and all that non-jumbo electronics. Not much though, okay? So, the 7.3, that's a standalone motor. So, if we go with the 7.3 Godzilla, that's also a standalone motor, so you can make your electronics work with it, okay? So, now the question is, which one should we do? I got a buddy of mine.
Or
Right. Do we do the 5.4 4 valve, or should we go with the 7.3? So this is Jay, T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
Leave it in the comments. Let us know what you think.